Alright, so today we're going to review the Bonsaii Paper Shredder. Just real quick, this paper shredder is heavy duty. It'll do paper, credit cards, paper clips, staples, and even CDs. Okay, and here is a picture showing you the specifications. So I'll just, you can pause the video if you need to go over any of this information. And once you open up the box, there's another box inside. Alright, so you just get a paper shredder and a manual. The CAD is not included. Alright, so there's tape on the side you have to take off. There's your power. Forward. And reverse. And it tells you if the bin is full. It also tells you right in the middle if it's overheating or not. Alright, so let's try it out. Wow, that thing is really strong. That's amazing. Gonna try a really thick envelope. Barely fits in there. That is really strong. Okay, I'm going to try a really thick envelope again, valve pack. Very nice, very quiet, very powerful. I like it, pretty good. I'm going to try a magazine. I don't know if it'll fit through there. This is way better than the stuff you normally get at the store, so yeah, I highly recommend it. I'm not surprised that it's called Bonsaii, because Mr. Miyagi from Karate Kid would be like, Bonsaii! It's pretty good. Should we try one more, Coco? Let's try one more. What do you think, Coco? Check this out. Would you lick the front? Would you put your nose on it? It's pretty good. Alright, so not much to say. It's just really good. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.